Hello everyone, you're watching RDX Goa's news bulletin with me Arjun. To begin with, let's take a look on today's headlines. A proposal for financial support to mining dependent people put forth in front of the Prime Minister. $115 bulls of meat complex handed over to Shri Ram Go Samvardhan Kendra. And school hours increased to half an hour, total working days to 237 days. Now the news in detail. The delegation headed by the Chief Minister, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, has put forth the demand of a financial support package of 3,000 crore rupees in front of the Prime Minister. The Chief Minister has also suggested that a buffer zone of 10 kilometers will hamper the economy of Goa and that it should be fixed at 1 kilometer. 20% of Goa's income is earned from mining. The state has suffered a loss of 1.5 thousand crore rupees due to closure of mining. The banks have suffered a loss of 650 crore rupees, which include 350 crore rupees of the cooperative sector, informed the Chief Minister. He gave this information in the press conference held on Thursday.
Basically, दोन विषय प्राइम मिनिस्टर कडे म्हणले. एक माइन बंद आसा ताजो इकॉनॉमिक इम्पॅक्ट राज्याचेर कितें जाला, देशाचेर कितें जाला आनी तातूंतल्यान जे वेगवेगळ्या ऑफशूट फायनान्शियल येता ताची कल्पना तांकां दिली. इकॉनॉमिक इम्पॅक्ट डायरेक्ट राज्याचे 1,500 कोटी रुपया रेव्हेन्यू परचेज जालो, विच इज अबाउट ऑलमोस्ट 25% ऑफ द टोटल रेव्हेन्यू. 20% GDP इम्पॅक्ट जालो. द सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट has lost around 7,000 crores, so more than 4.5 times the state, almost 5 times the state. And now 30% export duty असता आणि त्याचे इन्कम टॅक्स दोन्ही हाजेर भरपूर 6,500 खावपे पडलेले. The country lost $5 billion in terms of foreign exchange, when trade out balance is showing increasing deficit. एका 1.5 वर्साचे मोरटोरियम दिवन इंट्रेस्ट आणि प्रिन्सिपल दोन्ही 1.5 वर्सां डिफर करपाचे. Penal interest आणि कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट दोन्ही विड्रॉ करपाक सांगताले आणि NPA नॉर्म्स ह्या लोनाक मायन लिंक्ड लोनाक ह्या पिरियडाक रिलॅक्स करतात. सोशल इम्पॅक्टूय आमी लक्षात हाडून दिला. त्यामुळे we have demanded that central government and state government coordinate and put up the issue before the Supreme Court. मीटिंग भरून हाडूया आणि 21 तारखेक आमचे प्लॅनिंग बोर्ड ऑफ सेंट्रल प्लॅनिंग कमिशना फुडें.
Mr. Hanumant Parab of Shri Ram Go Samvardhan Kendra was given the responsibility of looking after the cattle at the meat complex at Usgaon. After this decision of the Bombay High Court, 115 bulls of the meat complex have been handed over to Shri Ram Go Samvardhan Kendra. This decision was taken by the court on Thursday.
आयज ऑनरेबल हायकोर्टान जे डायरेक्शन्स दिल्ले आसा की कस्टडी जे आमच्या बैल जे असले ते GMCन ती आमच्या कडेन घेवप. म्हणजे जय श्रीराम गो संवर्धन केंद्र आमचे वाळपय आसा थंय फाल्यांच्यान आमी तांकां व्हरपाक सुरवात करतले. ऑलरेडी आमचे कडेन 140 आसा. गेली 6 वर्सां आमचे केंद्र रस्त्या वयली आसत किंवा रेस्क्यू केल्ली आसत, स्ट्रे कॅटल स्लॉटर हावजांतली सगळी आमच्या कडेन आसा आणि आमी वेल मेंटेन तांकां करता एट वाळपय. सो आनी दुसरे आसा जे तेंच्यांनी 450 अंडर जे पेटिशन आतां हें फायल केल्लें आसा मॅजिस्ट्रेट क्लेम ताका आमी अपोज करतले इन कमिंग डेज. वी वील अपोज फॉर इट फॉर द नॉट टू गिव कस्टडी टू द बुचर्स. Transport and all cost will be bear by the government for transportation of animals.
It is directed that the custody of all the animals should be handed over to the petitioner. The government is to bear the expenses of the feed and the transportation from the Goa meat complex to the Valpai farm of the petitioners. And the High Court has also directed the magistrate to take a decision by the 6th of July as to the custody of the animals, whether they are to be auctioned or they are to be handed over to the accused back, or whether they are to be continued with us, start from tomorrow.
The government has issued a notice making it compulsory for all schools to increase the working time by half an hour. Also, it has been decided to make the working days to 237 days. The government has also approved the decision to hold both the standard 10th and 12th board examination together. When asked about this, the principal of Don Bosco High Secondary School, Professor Savio Gomes, said that the government has to take parents into consideration before implementing these decisions. Sanjay Munnoli reports from Panji.
Not yet received the circular, but we have heard that there is going to be extra working days and extra time every day. I think about 5.5 hours or something. So not looking at the circular, I would say that the parents need to have been taken into confidence. Maybe this is an all India policy, we do not know, depending on based on the RTE, Right to Education Act. So maybe it is based on that. So maybe here before passing the circular, the parents could have been taken into confidence. Or they could have asked for a suggestion from us, PTAs, and get their opinions. That is one. The second issue is that we have no problem complying with this. But then the board and the Directorate of Education should coordinate, because sometimes the board conducts the exams early, and then if the board takes our schools and also the exams as exam centers, how do we continue classes? That becomes a problem. I think there would be a serious problem if there is an increase in timing. Of course, parents will be put to inconvenience, bringing their children earlier, buses coming from the villages. All those problems would be there. Going home later, children will be more hungry. They have reached. What I saw in yesterday's paper, I think, or somewhere I heard this, that they are trying to say start at 7:45 and end at 1:45. Now, especially smaller children, this would be a problem.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
High-speed broadband internet now in your area. Internet at home, in office, for gaming, for every professional. No more waiting. Call 8888886109 or go to www.ethernetexpress.com.
हेलो अंकल।
हेलो।
मैं आपको थैंक यू कहना चाहती हूँ।
थैंक यू किस लिए?
वो एक्चुअली मुझे ना थैलेसीमिया है और हर महीने आप जैसे अंकल आंटी खून देते हैं और मेरी मदद करते हैं, पर मुझे पता नहीं वो कौन है, इसलिए सबको थैंक यू बोल देती हूँ। सो थैंक यू।
पर बेटा मैंने तो कभी ब्लड डोनेट किया ही नहीं।
कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए बाय
बाय। 18 साल की उम्र से रक्तदान करें, ये किसी की जिंदगी बचा सकता है।
करके देखो,
अच्छा लगता है।
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences, with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
Sai Kishan Transport undertakes sewage and water waste suction maintenance services. Anywhere at any time, 24-hour service available all over Goa. Sai Kishan Transport undertakes sewage and water waste suction maintenance services. Contact us at 09637164777, 09822137923. Also email us arvind.dabolkar@yahoo.com.
सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो राखपाक गोंयची सोबीतकाय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजीक आमी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
राखपा गोंयची सोबीतकाय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
Welcome back. The committee headed by Shri Vishnu Suryavag has submitted its report regarding the improvement in education system. The committee has suggested that sex education be made compulsory at school level. Several important suggestions have been made regarding safety of girl students and character of male teachers. This includes police report verification at the time of appointment and taking professional oath similar to that of doctors.
चलयेचें आत्महत्या प्रकरण ताच्या पयलीं जें ताचें विनयभंग प्रकरण जाल्लें ते संदर्भांतलो सगळो रिपोर्ट हांवें तो तयार केलो म्हज्या समितीन आनी सगळो रिपोर्ट फूल तयार जाला आनी आतां तो सरकाराक आमी सबमीट करपाचें हातून जे कांय आमी ऑब्जर्वेशन्स केल्यात ती ऑब्जर्वेशन्स सगळीं कॉन्फिडेन्शियल आसात ती हांव भायर कांय सांगूंक शकना पूण एक जनरल रिकमेंडेशन्स आमी ती कांय केल्या ती रिकमेंडेशन्सचो थोडोसो जिस्ट हांव दिवपाक शकता हातून मेन आहा तें म्हणजे रिकमेंडेशन की टिचर जे आसा शिक्षक जे आसा तांकां शपथ घेवप हें आपल्या वेवसाया संबंदी कंपल्सरी करचें त्या प्रमाणे बाकीचे डॉक्टर्स किंवा नर्सीस ओथ घेतात तशा प्रकारची टिचरांकूय ओथ घेवन आपलो प्रोफेशन हो कितलो सोलेम आसा तांचेर जाणा जावन घेवपाची सक्ती करची म्हणजे एक हें आसा दुसरें म्हणजे हें सगळें टाळपा खातीर आनी ट्युशनाक सुद्दां गोंदळ टाळपा खातीर सरकारान पूर्ण वेळ शाळा हो कॉन्सेप्ट लक्षांत घेवचो ही एक आमची प्रमुख अशी तातूंत केल्ली सुचोवणी आसा ते भायर मागीर इतर अनेक गोश्टी आहात की पालकांनी कितें काळजी घेवपा जाय भुरग्यांनी कितें काळजी घेवपा जाय शिक्षकाक जेन्ना जॉब दितात तेन्ना ताचो संपूर्ण इतिहास तपासून जशें पासपोर्टा खातीर पुलीस क्लियरन्स लागता तशें पुलीस क्लियरन्स हें जो मनीस शिक्षक म्हणून अपॉयंट जातलो ताच्या खातीरूय घेवपा जाय अशी एक सुचोवणी आमी केल्या म्हणजे हायर क्लासान जे आसता 9वी किंवा 10वी हे भुरग्यांचे प्रतिनिधी सुद्दां ते कमिटीचेर घेवपा जाय टू डील विथ ऑल केसीस ऑफ सेक्शुअल हॅरेसमेंट आनी बाकीचे अशें आसता ते अशो कांय मेजर सजेशन्स आमी केल्ले आसा सरकाराक.
The State Transport Authority has decided to fix the rate of auto rickshaws to 20 rupees per kilometer. The rent of 6-tier rickshaws have been increased to 20 rupees per kilometer from 17 and 15 rupees from 13 rupees. These decisions were taken in the meeting of the State Transport Authority held on Tuesday. The increased rates will be implemented after approval of the government, informed the Transport Director Arun Desai. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Panji.
6-wheeler auto rickshaws and South Goa Tourist Coach Owners Association. Now both these applications were filed during before last meeting. In fact, in the month of February and in the month of March, that is on 5/3, these applications were there, but inadvertently it got mixed up with applications of auto rickshaw and taxi associations and motorcycle associations, and as the rates of petrol were reduced, their applications were not considered. So the six-wheeler auto rickshaw also got mixed up with those applications. Whereas the six-wheeler auto rickshaws are diesel operated auto rickshaws. All these decisions regarding fare hike are subject to government approval. So on trial basis for 6 months STA has agreed for a rate of 20 rupees flat kilometer. Now how it will work I can just tell you. For example, per kilometer flat rate, no return charges or no other charges.
The Goa Dairy has decided to launch milk with 3.5 fat content in market from 17th June. The new variety will be priced at 34 rupees per litre. The president of Goa Dairy, Mr. Shrikant Naik, has informed that Goa Dairy has no plans to increase the price this year. Nilesh Naik reports from Ponda.
नवीन एक प्रोडक्ट चालू केला गायचें दूध प्युअर गायचें दूध 3.5चे आणि ते आमी मंडेच्यान म्हणजे 17 जुनाच्यान मार्केटाक घालतले. हो प्रोडक्ट काडपा फाटलो हेतू आसा की आमच्या गोंयचो जे कंज्युमर जे आहा बाकीचे ब्रँडाचे खूब लोकांचे दूध हें आशिल्लें आमचो हो ब्रँड नाशिल्लो आणि आज मार्केटांत कितें आसता की सगळे ब्रँड तुका अवेलेबल आसचे पडटात. आज खुबशे लोक हेल्थ कॉन्शियस जाल्यात. तांकां तें दाट म्हणजे हाय फॅट किंवा हें दूध आवडना. ते खातीर हें गायचें दूध 3.5 करपाचें हांवें बोर्डान डिसिजन घेतलें आनी आज तेजें आमी लॉन्चिंग केल्लें आसा. दुसरी गोश्ट म्हणल्यार की ISO हो जो आहा 22,000 हो ISO आमी डेरी खातीर तशेंच आमचें कॅटल फील्ड आसा. तुमी जाणा की आमी आमच्या प्रोड्युसर जो आहा तांकां सबसिडायड रेटीन आमी कॅटल फील्ड दितात आणि आमचो जो रेट जो आहा सद्या आणि आमची जी क्वॉलिटी आहा त्या रेटी प्रमाणे हो हिंदुस्थानाक सगळ्याच्या खूब चीप रेट आहा 14 रुपया 80 पैसे. फाटीं आमी काही कारणा खातीर तो खूब कमी आशिल्लो तो वाडून आतां तो 14 रुपया 80 पैसे आमी लोकांक दिता. गोंयांक नीड आसा जवळ जवळ 2 लाख सुमार दुधाचो आणि गोंयचें प्रोडक्शनूय आमकां फक्त येता 55,000 इतले 25,000 लोकल सेलाक वयता. काही जाण दूध सोसायट्यांक घालनात वास्को सायडीक पूण तें प्रोडक्शन सगळें तें धरीत म्हाका दिसता आमचें प्रोडक्शन जवळ जवळ 1 लाख वयतलें. आमी प्रोडक्शन विचार करता फक्त गोवा डेरी येता तो न्हू सगळें गोंयचें प्रोडक्शन मोर दॅन 1 lakh.
The present government is not willing to give rights to Jilla Panchayats. Also, the Chief Minister cannot find any time for the institutions. Therefore, the annoyed chairman of South Goa Jilla Panchayat, Nelly Rodriguez, said that it is better to scrap the panchayat than to continue in this condition. In the meeting held on Wednesday, a resolution strongly opposing MOPA was also passed. Mandar Naik reports from Margao.
Resolution I'm going to oppose MOPA, and we are South Goa members are only for double A. In next resolution, आमची development fund जे आसा to meet the CM and see that he gives us the funds fast. ते आमचे tenure short आहे and resolution गेला की आमगे 2 engineer for transfer झालाय तेम retain कोच म्हणून किती आमगे एको वगा solve म्हणून ते आणि not to effect any transfer आम staff जाय स्टाफाचे एक resolution आणि for additional member and तेम dustbin focuses before Ganesh आणि ते कॉफिन घेवपाक आणि मॉर्ग घेवपाक ही सगळी रेजोल्युशन मेंबरान दिला आणि एक न्यू झेरॉक्स मशीन आमचे खूब वर्स जाले म्हणून न्यू झेरॉक्स मशीन घेवपाक आमी तेका एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर म्हूण सगळ्यांगे फंक्शनात वयता आणि वी हॅड इन्वायटेड हिम एज अ चीफ गेस्ट एट रवींद्र भवन फॉर टू इनॉग्रेट द वेबसाइट फॉर farmer we had called him as chief guest to inaugurate the farmers website, and it was a very massive program. All their database would be on the website. This we had called CM to inaugurate and to see a typical heritage Goan village which we had organized for the farmers. But being the agriculture minister, he somehow gave us the promise that he will come, and he never came. Neither did the tourism minister also. Help this government this time. We wanted a change because we had high hopes and expectations, but till today nothing has been fulfilled. If Zilla members go there, Here CM was very accessible. Here, why they don't give us the required type of respect and appointments that we should have got? But we are not saying you all should either cancel and scrap Zilla Panchayat if you all are not able to evolve the power. We are asking what is as per the Panchayat Raj Act.
Let's take a short commercial break. Keep watching RDX Goa.
अंकल आप ठीक हो ना?
बेटा थैंक यू। ये क्या है?
कुछ नहीं अंकल, अभी ब्लड डोनेट करके आई हूँ।
बेटा तुम्हें तो बहुत कमजोरी महसूस होती होगी।
कोई कमजोरी नहीं अंकल, हर 3 महीने में करती हूँ।
अच्छा।
नेकी के लिए पहलवान नहीं इंसान होना जरूरी है। रक्तदान कीजिए, कमजोरी नहीं होती, शरीर उस खून को जल्दी बना लेता है।
सोचिए मत, करके देखिए, अच्छा लगता है।
सुची, लग्न उपरांत तुका आमच्या घरान कितें जाय?
Prince Furniture is #1 furniture showroom for all your home furnishing needs. Comfortable and designer sofas, stylish divans, spacious and best quality wardrobes for strong and latest designing dining tables, for wall mount showcases, for large variety of stylish beds. Visit our showroom at Piran Industrial Estate and Karaswada Mhapsa.
आमच्या स्वप्नातले घर सजयता प्रिन्स फर्निचर.
तुमचे घर कोण सजयता?
Prince Furniture is the best furniture.
सोबीत दिसचे अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? येव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
खरेंच मनशाच्या नशिबान बरयलां तें कोणाच्यानूच वाचूंक जायना. पूण ॲन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट एंड ॲडमिशन घेवन बरें शिकप करून हॉटेलाचो मॅनेजर जावन फुडाराक तुज्यान एक व्हडलो मनीस जावं येता. देखून ॲडमिशन घे फकत ॲन इन्स्टिट्यूट, पोरवोरेम.
The best of the best. An Institute, a name that hotel industry trusts.
An Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology.
Many options, one name.
An Institute.
Nova Siddharth Commercial Complex, S1 Building, 2nd floor, Porvorim, Goa.
Admissions now open for 3-year BSc in Hotel Management.
Eligibility 12th pass.
Now An Institute is affiliated to Bharatiya University, Coimbatore. For admissions, contact 2411
कसलोय समारंभ असो वा कसलोय सुवाळो असो, सगळ्यांची एकूच पसंत. संजय फॅशन सेंटर. रेडीमेड सूट, शेरवानी, कुर्ता आणि लग्न सोहळ्याचे कपडे तुमच्या गरजेप्रमाण आम्ही ऑर्डर घेतात. संजय फॅशन सेंटर, सिंडिकेट बँके लागी, बेती.
सलोनी लेडीज वेयर. A new extension store of Sanjay Fashion Center, specialist in kurtis, jeans, dress material and innerwear. next to Police Outpost, Betim, Bardes, Goa. Contact 777-3927-152.
औरतों के लिए हमेशा से बचत का मतलब होता है सोना, लेकिन सोना खरीदने के लिए कभी कभी हमारे पास उतने पैसे भी तो नहीं रहते। पर अब इसके कोई परेशानी नहीं। मुथूट मिनी के MME गोल्ड जो है,
मुथूट मिनी प्रस्तुत करते हैं MME गोल्ड। अपने पैसों को किश्तों में जमा करके सोना खरीद सकते हैं। इसके अलावा अपने अकाउंट में जमा सोने के मूल्य पर लोन भी पा सकते हैं। आइए, सोना खरीदने के लिए अब अधिक रुपयों की जरूरत नहीं।
From Muthoot Mini, stands by you always.
Welcome back. A very talented artist, Digambar Narse, has been adopted by Kala Academy, Goa, informed the chairman of Kala Academy, Mr. Vishnu Suryavak. Digambar cannot hear nor speak, but his art speaks his mind. Kala Academy has helped him by providing employment, informed Vishnu Suryavak. Gautam Shirudkar reports from Panji.
सगळे सांगतात की गोंय ही कलाकाराची खाण आणि गोंयच्या ह्या भुमींतल्यान गणित असे कितले तरी कलाकार ते जायत रावतात. कांय जाण बाबडे असे असतात की जे कोणाच्या नदरेक पडना. कांय कलाकार सतत लायमलायटान आसतात, तांची वाह जाता ते लोकां मेरेन पावतात. कांय जाण अशे आसा की जे इच्छा आसूनय तांच्या आंगार गूण आसूनय परिस्थिती खातीर कुशीक वतात. आणि 3 दिसांच्या भितर ताणें पोर्ट्रेट काडलें. सो म्हाका अशें दिसता की कला अकादमी आर्टिस्टां खातीर आनी जनरलांच्या खातीर खूब कितें करता. पूण अशा प्रकारचे जे आर्टिस्ट आसा तांचे खातीर कितें तरी करप ही सुद्दां आमची एक नैतीक जबाबदारी. त्या दृश्टीन हांव सांगता की ताका हाड, तो आनी ताची आवय आनी बाव अशें ल्हानशें कुटुंब उदरनिर्वाहाची कांयच वेवस्था ना. तेन्ना आमी एक असो विचार केलो, हांव म्हजो मेंबर सेक्रेटरी की ताजे कडच्यान कांय काम करून घेवप. दर म्हयन्याक गोंयच्या कांय आर्टिस्टांची, गाजलेले आर्टिस्ट आसा पयलींचे हे आसा, तांचे फोटो दिवन तांची पोर्ट्रेट ही ताजे कडच्यान करून घेवप. सो ताका कामूय मेळटलें, ताची कलाय लोकां मुखार येतली आनी आपल्या कुटुंबाचो चरितार्थ चलोवपा सारके एक रायटफुली ताका कोणा कडेन हें करत आसतना स्वाभिमानान एक 4 पयशे हे ताका मेळटले. आतां तुमी ताका कितें विचारत जाल्यार ताका बाबड्या कांय सांगपाक येवचें ना. तुमच्यांनी ताच्या भावाक विचार येता, त्या बाब संजूक विचारूं येता. पूण हें करतना अकादमी धन्यता भोगता की अशा प्रकारच्या भुरग्यां खातीर कितें तरी करपाची एक संदी आमकां मेळटा.
The Jilla Panchayat member Daya Pagi has alleged that the residents of Kanakona have to live under insecurity due to differential treatment given by the government. All the governments give differential treatment to Kanakona, he said. Pagi also informed that the acquired land, which was supposed to be used as a playground, is going to be converted into an indoor stadium. Mandar Naik reports from Margao.
आज संजय बांदेकर आमचे मदीं ना 1 वर्स जावत येता आनी ह्या 1 वर्सा कडेन आज आमची जिल्ला मिटींग हांगा आसली आनी म्हाका याद जाता की हो जेन्ना संजय बांदेकर स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर आसलो हेणी गोंया खातीर आनी काणकोणकारां खातीर इतलें काम केलां की आज तेजी कितलेशे तेणी एक्वायर केल्ले जागा आसात. आनी तितूंत आमचे जे चावडेर जो सेंटर काणकोणांत आसा त्या चावडेर एक तेणी ग्रावंड एक्वायर करून दवरलो जो गायतोंडे ग्रावंड म्हणून सगळ्या फामाद आसा मामलेदारा सायडीच्यान. त्या ग्रावंडाचेर चडशे बारीक बारीक प्रोग्राम जातात, भुरगीं येवन थंय खेळटात. आनी आयज त्या जाग्यार ह्या स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर जो काणकोणचो आमदार आसा स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर रमेश तवडकर हेणी ह्या स्पोर्ट्साच्या ओपन जाग्याचेर व्हडलो जो इंडोर घालपाचो विचार केल्लो आसा. आनी म्हाका तें दूख जाता कारण तेजी पयलीं ह्या बांदेकरांची स्पोर्ट्सा खातीर इंडोरा खातीर जो जागो एक्वायर केल्लो आसा कदंबा बस स्टँडाच्या ऑपोजीट त्या जाग्यार जेन्ना इंडोर घेवपाचें जें प्रोविजन आसा जंय ह्या संजय बांदेकर मिनिस्टर आसतना जेन्ना जी एक्वायर केल्या ती ड्रीम आसली. काणकोणांत जितले ग्रावंड आसात ते करपाचें सोडून हे जे मेन जे प्लेस आसात हो हेजेर आमकां काणकोणकारांक ह्या मिनिस्टरान अन्याय केलो आसा. हेजे खातीर म्हाका सगळ्यांक सांगपाक दिसता की हांव मिनिस्टर स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर जावन अशे तरेन वागता.
The Chief Minister is bent on building Mopa Airport in spite of opposition from the people. If the government is so confident about Mopa, then it should conduct an opinion poll on this issue, appealed Advocate John Montero. He made this appeal in the press conference held in Margao. Gabriel D'Costa, Ravindra Chari, Peter Dias and others were present on this occasion. Mandar Naik reports from Margao.
Respect of major two issues which are hampering the state of Goa, that is MOPA versus Daboli airport issue, and secondly setting up of the NIT institution project in Kungoli constituency. I will take the issue of the first of the MOPA versus Daboli airport. As we are aware, the agitation led by the like-minded people of the Goa was scrapping the MOPA airport project since 1 year and retaining the Daboli airport as the civilian airport. In spite of total oppositions from the people of Goa for scrapping the MOPA airport, the project of the state of Goa, the present government is going ahead with the project against the wishes of the people. The issue of the MOPA airport has taken by different political leaders and have taken different colors to fulfill their own aspirations and achievements prior. Even the non-political organizations forum has been formed to oppose the present MOPA airport and retaining Daboli airport as a total civilian airport for the state of Goa. Holding meetings, filing suits before the court will not serve the issue, since it is the high time for the public to decide the issue of MOPA versus Daboli airport by demanding the second opinion poll. Hence, I appeal to the public to come forward for the demanding second opinion poll. Whatever may be in the way, the single agenda will bring the present government situation to hold second opinion poll in the state. Today, I openly challenge the Chief Minister of the Goa, Manohar Parrikar, that if you consider highly intellectual and crediting yourself as the best Chief Minister, then accept the challenge with the holding second opinion poll, voting the right respect of the issue of the MOPA versus Daboli at the earliest. Second opinion poll MOPA chair order करचो and ताजेला voting rights. Public have choice दिवचो and decide करचें whether MOPA airport लोकांक जायो or Daboli airport लोकांक जायो तो.
Before we wind up, here is a recap of the headlines. A proposal for financial support to mining dependent people put forth in front of the Prime Minister. $115 bulls of meat complex handed over to Shri Ram Go Samvardhan Kendra. And school hours increased to half an hour, total working days to 237 days. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com. Goodbye.